Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how I trade the NFP. How I trade the NFP is I trade the fundamentals, NFP, CPI. So is we're going to do a very quick analysis. Allow me not to talk much, we don't have much time. So these are monthly. These are monthly resistance there. We have our monthly support here. Jump down to the weekly. Weekly we have a weekly support there. Weekly support there. Our weekly resistance, weekly support. Jump down to the daily. We have 5 minutes. I'm going to be quick. On the daily, we have this support here and the resistance up here. On the 4 hours, we have a support here. The resistance is up there. We have a support here. The resistance is up there. On the 1 hour, where are we on the 1 hour? On 1 hour, we have a resistance there. We have our support down here. That is on 1 hour. Support is down there. We can have this as our 1 hour support and jump down to 30 minutes. And 30 minutes, what do we have? We have this support here. We have this support here. And the resistance up here. That's what we have on 30 minutes. Okay. We have 3 minutes to go. Jump down to 15 minutes. 15 minutes is still at the same point. So 15 minutes we have this here and this here. So guys, these are our trade. This is how I would trade the NFP. This is how I would trade the NFP. So here we're gonna move that to the body there. We have 2 minutes. Move this to the body there. There. So this is what I would do for the sales, for the short position. Take it from here. Stop loss just about there and push it where? Push it all the way down here. That is for the sales. I don't want to push it down to this level here. But when it comes to NFP, if we get a good spike in price down here, lock your profits in. Lock your profits as soon as you can. Don't wait for the price to get it. It may never get here. So lock your profits as soon as you can. And for the long position, I want to take it from here. We have a minute to go. Take it from here, push it all the way up to where? Push it all the way up to there. So this is how I trade the NFP. This is how I would trade the NFP today. If the data comes out good for the dollar, that is green, we're going to be selling. If it comes out bad for the dollar, that is red, we are going to be buying. So let's see what you have. Let's see what the data is. Let us see what the data is. So Friday, the NFP, good for the dollar, green. I said if it's good for the dollar, you're going to be selling. We are going to be selling. And our sell has already been activated. Our sell has been activated. Our sell has been activated. The average hourly earnings 0.2. The actual is the forecast was 0.3. The actual is 0.2. The previous was 0.2. The NFP, non-farm employment change, non-farm payroll, previous one was 185K. The forecast was 65, but we got a good number, 115, which is good for the dollar. So we expect gold to be selling right now. The unemployment rate, the forecast was, the previous was 4.3. The forecast was for 4.3. The actual came in as 4.3. So let's see what the dollar is doing. The gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Let's have a look at JPY. USD JPY. USD JPY. USD JPY should be buying. USD JPY should be buying. This NFP is crazy, man. This NFP is crazy. You see? This NFP is crazy. It's a crazy NFP. It's not the NFP we're used to. My friend Nick. Are you trading this NFP today? Because what I'm seeing, NFP is usually very explosive. Let's give it time. Let's give it time. USD JPY. It's a crazy NFP, my friends. It's crazy. You see? 317. What is happening here? 302, 317. This NFP is crazy, man. Wow. Interesting. Very interesting. Why is the data good for the dollar yet gold is still buying? You see, this is why you don't trade the NFP. You don't trade the fundamentals unless you know what you're doing. Because here, buys have been activated. Then price might come back, pull up all the way back here, then continue in the direction that we expect it to go. Because if the data comes good for the dollar, as it has, this data is good for the dollar, 115, but the average hourly earnings month over month. So we have two that high impact news. One is in red, one is in green. The average hourly earnings came out bad for the dollar. That means gold should be buying. Then that is scenario one. Then scenario two, the NFP, the non-farm employment change, came in good for the dollar, which means gold should be selling. So the market is confused. Market is confused. That's why you're seeing this. The market is confused. There's confusion in the market. There is confusion in the market. So gold might decide to burst out in this that I might decide to go flying all the way up or just camping all the way down here. Now it's a game of patience. It's a game of patience. It's a game of patience. If you took a sell here, my friend, you're in losses unless you had the stop loss all the way up here. Which for fundamentals, I would not advise that. I would not recommend that. On fundamentals, trading fundamentals, I would not recommend such a huge stop loss. Before Trump and his tweets, trading NFP was very much fun. Trading NFP was so much fun. That was before Trump and his tweets. It was so much fun. Now you see, the market is confused. Do we buy? Do we sell? And we're stuck in this zone here. We're stuck in this range here. We're stuck in this range here. So if you had a buy stop, here, you've already been activated. If you had a sell stop here, you've been activated and liquidated already. So let's see what it decides to do. Let's see the direction it decides to take. We have 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go. We are watching, watch and learn. You watch and learn, you watch, you learn, you watch, you learn. This was our analysis earlier today in the morning. There was a fake out here. This was a fake out. And the reason I didn't take this trade, because we had no momentum. There was no momentum in this break. By momentum, I mean the size of the candle. You see, this is good momentum, but a good breakout of the consolidation here. A good break of structure here with momentum. Good momentum. This is what I was looking for, but I didn't get it here. The candle closed just above, just a few pips above our potential buy. So I didn't see the momentum in that. I was waiting for price to come back, retest here, then I would see a good move up here, then flip all the way up here, but I didn't get that, so I didn't take that trade. And now the NFP. We have 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, we are done. We're just waiting, we're just playing a game of waiting. Patience. Normally, over the years I've traded NFP, the market would be, or if it's a buy, the market will be all the way up here. Big spike. Or a sell, big spike in price. Be all the way somewhere down here. But now there's so much going on. I see our time is up. That is how I would have traded the NFP. I see it's making a break. It's making a break on the upside. It's bullish. So let's see. Just watch the market and see. Give it another. Let this kind of close.